Hello friends, and welcome to today's tutorial where we are going to be doing the Sweden flag necklace. If it's your first time here, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let us know what you think on the comment section down below. So the materials you'll require for this project are this beautiful necklace lock that you can open like that. Okay, that has got two ends. You're also going to require beads. I'm going to be using the yellow and blue beads to make the neck piece. And you're also going to require the flag. The flag we've made using the right angle weave pattern. You're going to require nail cutter and also the 0.30 millimeters fishing line that you're going to use. Okay, so you cut your fishing line to around 12 inches or 16 inches, and then on one end you tie a knot like this. That knot is going to act like a stopper, so that you add one bead there and then you add one end of the lock like that. So once you have them like that, you can release them, and then now you start putting your beads in your sequence. So here I used a sequence of 10 blue beads and followed by 4 yellow beads like this. Okay, so that's the pattern that we're going to be using today. And this is something that you can do quite simply. If say you have a pendant laying around, you can easily fix it like this by just having beads and putting them like in this sequence, and at the center you're going to have your pendant or your flag. And also the reason why I have skipped showing you how to make the flag is because we did a similar flag just a video before this one, where we it's the Finland flag, so you can check it out and you can see the step by step on how to make the Finland flag, which is almost the same as this Swedish flag. So as you can see, we are almost at the center, so we are going to introduce the Swedish flag there, and I'm going to pass the fishing line through one, add one blue bead, and then pass it through the next blue bead like that, so that at the end of it we're going to have something that is seamless without gaps. And as you can see here, it's supposed to look something like that, and it really looks beautiful. Remember guys, the skills that you gain from these tutorials here are skills that you can easily convert and monetize and be able to make some extra money or some extra dollars from just doing these skills, just like a hobby, or even you can do it full time. And as you can see here, we are done making our necklace. You just snip off the ends, and there you have it. You have a beautiful Swedish necklace bit. If you enjoyed this video, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and let us know what other flag you'd like to see on our next tutorial. So love you guys, see you on our next video. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you on our next video.